poop again. You swallowing? Can't be on that. He's trying to stand. I know.
Look at her. Look at her mama. She just wants her baby.
Oh no.
His eyes are open. They are. They're open.
Mm-hmm. They've been open since I brought him in.
To the side. That's so funny. It's awake.
Just gonna add some worms to it.
Look at her extensive cooking skills. She's just going to add a little bit more worms to it.
They're hard to mash.
No less than she would have done for her own children as babies.
I know.
Actually, it's the same formula she used for Cody and Jessie.
That's why they turned out the way they did.
How do you select your worms?
Because they're on top. I want to rinse him off, though.
So she's cleaning. She's that proficient that she's cleaning the dirt from the worms. It's part of the meal preparation. Look at that little guy. Little does he know he's going to be a
knew
meal.
what was coming, huh? Now, have you got it? I don't know. Should you chop him up with a knife, maybe? Would that be?
You're asking the wrong person advice on worm preparation.
Okay, here we go.
Your mama loves you.
I'm telling you.
She wouldn't even do this for Cody. Make a double batch. Cody will have his supper.
Not really. I don't even like fishing.
She doesn't like fishing. She's cutting up worms for baby Robin bird. By the name, my name is Robin.
Trying to squish them out.
Now the mashing starts. So let me get this straight. First you cut them up. First you pick up a nice juicy one. You select it. Rinse it. Then you chop it.
Try and smush him. I'm going to add a little dog food to it so that kind of goes, so it just kind of, mix it in.
It's going to be a good how-to video for YouTube for baby rabbits. That's dog food. What brand?
Purina, sensitive.
Purina for sensitive?
Yeah, and it's the first ingredient is salmon. So, gotta keep the dogs healthy. Okay, now I'm gonna try and get it into my little medicine dropper. Figure it has like a beak sensation. If they're still alive, if they'll move in there.
And the beak being the other end of the syringe without the needle on it.
Yeah, no needle.
There's Sandy, thinking she's an expectant mother. Here, look at that concerned little girl.
She's very concerned.
Baby cries, she goes nuts, and I was trying to video and jumping on my leg because she's so excited. Remind me to not try any crackers with spread on top of them at your home. What's this unique flavor? I thought that was pickles in that salad.
Really? Ha ha. Gotcha.
Oh, little baby. You haven't named him yet, have you?
I know, I haven't. Jessie said Lucky, but...
Well, then we'll have to call him Lucky. Gotta be pretty lucky to have somebody doing this for him.
Put this over here. So it can't go bad, right? Okay, we're ready for our Max feeding.
And that is how you feed a bird. She says he taps it. He doesn't want to. He's full.
Yeah.
Amy said when you tap and he doesn't wake up, he's full.